So, when we expect or have a standard, expect somebody to be a certain way or ourselves to be a certain way, like a rule or like a regulation, when somebody else or ourselves do not express themselves and their emotions all prim and properly and perfect, or if we do not, then we will have a tendency to spring to judgment that they're being bad or wrong, or we're being bad or wrong in some way, and to judge ourselves or each other. When we do not have a rule that people or ourselves have to be a certain good, perfect, proper, good, kind way, we allow people and ourselves to be whatever way the moment presents itself as. And that could be the expression of any emotion or trigger or past trauma coming up. When we already, in our preemptive wishes and intentions and heart opening, will allow and accept ourselves or another person in our moments or their moments of weakness or hurt or pain to potentially lash out or be very negative or whatever word you want to call it, we will have an allowance for others and ourselves to be the way we are without judgment. And remember, what you resist, you persist in others or ourselves or the world. What you resist persists and you feed energy to. What we allow, embrace and accept, it's a form of healing and unconditional love. So that's all I want to say in this video. It's very powerful and transformative in my life. It's helped me to just feel peace, love and compassion towards people who've been in deep hurt and pain and have been expressing themselves verbally very loudly and even very confrontationally to others and even to myself. So remember, the same thing could happen to 50 people and everyone could respond differently. We are not just the victims of what happens on the outside. We can either be the inner victim for how we process and perceive what's happening, or we can be the empowered, loving, divine creator and creative being who can love and nurture and help heal and unite. Now, we don't have to be all, in this video what I mean is we don't have to be all fluff and peace, love and light. It's all about embracing and accepting the darkness or the dark side of ourselves and each other. With the light, we transform and alchemize. We allow the bringing up, we allow the darkness to rise from the past trauma in ourselves and others. We allow, we embrace, we accept with a sense of inner non-resistance, inner peace, inner forgiveness, inner allowance, inner acceptance. It's okay to sometimes slip up, be weak, fall, and be sometimes loud or sometimes confrontational or even sometimes aggressive in our words or our body language. Now, I'm not promoting anything like physical violence, but sometimes we can also, just a little bit of physical wrestle or kerfuffle. We can play the inner victim, perpetrator, judger game, or we can also have what I said previously towards this. We can have love and compassion, and we can feel peace in our hearts, even when this stuff can happen, okay? Many have done it, many do it. I'm not promoting or trying to promote anything like destruction, but I'm talking about embracing the darkness. This will perpetuate less destruction in the upcoming moments when people are in deep pain. Beneath anger, there's sadness and pain. So what we resist, we persist. You know yourself, if you fight back with someone who's in an argumentative, fighting, hurt mood, it can explode into madness and craziness. I'm not saying being a walkover either. This is inner alchemy. This is inner work. The right words and responses will come to us to diffuse the pain, help heal the pain, and diffuse the situation. This is deep inner work I'm talking about. I'm not talking about outer, like allowing yourself to be abused. I'm not talking about that. And and just to be practical, if you're not ready for this type of stage, usually we get the lessons what we're able for. But if something is too much or somebody's too much, take a step back. It's okay to take a step back. Or if you're very angry and you're possibly being the one being more aggressive, or fighty, take a step back if you can. It's okay to take a step back and find relief and soothing and find our inner harmony again. I hope this video helps. Lots of love from me, Owen Fox, in the bath in Ireland. Lots of love to you. It's a beautiful day to be alive again. It's a beautiful day to be born. Wake up every single day. I no longer say good morning. It's very minimum. I say good appreciating, good celebrating, or happy new day.